Do you love listening to music all the time? Are you scared that you might waste your whole life doing just that and nothing else? Well, now that you've clicked on this video, I can definitely assure that you won't, because in just a few minutes, I'll be revealing a secret technique that can make you as much as $5 for every song you listen to. Can you calculate how much money you would make in a month if you consistently listen to 10 new songs daily? Yes, that's right, $1,500. Now, we have discussed the importance of online money making quite a lot on this channel, since it is one of the few ways that you can focus on developing bigger and better things with the time you save. So, here I am with yet another simple money-making technique that will do justice to your time and allow you to invest where you need to. To get started with this technique, you do not need to become an artist, be someone with superior taste in music, or own any sort of fancy equipment. Simply get your laptop, internet, and headphones ready, because that is all you need. Without further ado, here's a walkthrough on how you can make anywhere from $3 to $7 for every song you listen to. The first website we're going to make use of is Pixabay.com. Pixabay is a platform that allows users to make use of royalty-free stock footage, photos, illustrations, vectors, and music. However, let's not get into the other parts and only focus on its music for now. So if you go onto Pixabay's official website and click on Music, a whole dashboard of royalty-free tracks will open up. You can even search for different artists, songs, and genres yourself. The tracks you see are all royalty-free, and you don't have to pay a single cent to download or use them anywhere. If you click on Filter, a list of different genres, moods, movements, and themes will appear. This option will help you find the right kind of music for your purpose. So if you want to add background music to a beautiful B-roll shot of the mountains, you can click on the cinematic music option and choose a track that fits best. But you're not looking for music to add behind a B-roll shot here. You're looking for a track that you think other people might like. To do that, just go to the search bar, search for pop music since it is the most popular music genre, and begin listening to everything. Okay, well, maybe not everything, but at least try to sift through 10 or 30 different tracks to find ones that you seem to enjoy listening to. This shouldn't take any longer than 15 or 20 minutes, since you'll only be playing a few seconds of each track. Once you find a few quality tracks, simply click on Download, and you'll essentially be done with the first part of the technique. Next, open up Google again and search for upload-forever.com. This is the actual website that will be paying you for the music. Once you're in Up Forever, click on Make Money, and you'll be prompted to a page where payout rates per 1,000 downloads, different payment methods, and most importantly, countries categorized as tiers will be displayed. How the tier mechanism works is that whenever someone from a Tier 1 country, which is either the United States or Canada, downloads your music, you'll be paid $7, which is their highest payout rate. However, if someone from a Tier 4 country downloads your music, you'll only be paid $3, which is their lowest. Now, you might be wondering, where does this money actually come from? And the answer is pretty simple: ad revenue. If someone likes a file that you've uploaded and downloads it, they'll be shown ads that allow Up Forever to collect ad revenue and distribute it. It's pretty much the same mechanism as YouTube ad revenue. However, if you are somewhat skeptical about whether Up Forever actually works and pays money or not, then you can click on Payment Proof and take a look at their recent payout logs as well. You'll see all the recent payout dates, usernames, payment methods, and amounts paid all together here. This is proof that Up Forever is legit and actually works. Now, with that ensured, let's get to the next step, which is signing up with Up Forever. The process is pretty straightforward. Just enter basic details like a username, email address, and password, and verify that you are not a robot. If you are, good luck selecting the picture with the lion or bicycle in it. Anyways, there are about 5 ways of making money with Up Forever, which include PPD, PPS, Mix, making referrals, and selling files. Referrals are excellent if you have a large social media following or know your way around online marketing. However, the one we'll be focusing on right now is selling files for a fixed price. So to begin selling, click on Upload Files from the dashboard and select the music files you just downloaded from Pixabay. On the right side of the page, underneath Actions, click on the green pencil and add a title, description, and price to the files you're uploading. Now you're all set and ready to roll. Every time someone downloads your song, you'll be paid 80% of the price you set, and Up Forever will take a 20% cut from each sale. Remember, the better the music, the more money you make. The best part about this technique is that anyone can just open up their mobile phone or laptop and start making money almost immediately, since there are no long sign-up forms, waiting lists, or manual approvals to go through. However, if all of this sounds like a lot of work to you and you want to make money for putting in almost no effort, then here's a bonus technique that also pays you for listening to music, but with a slight twist. The name of the website is hitpredictor.com, and as the name suggests, it is essentially a site that pays you to listen to music and predict the next hit song. And no, you again do not have to be an artist or someone who really understands musical philosophy to do this. There is no need for any equipment, and you can easily do this on your laptop or mobile phone. Just listen to music tracks, review them, and earn anywhere from 3 to 5 cents for each one. Now, although 3 to 5 cents per song sounds pretty meager, I'm sure you can listen to quite a lot of them in your spare time and easily make an extra $30 every month for doing something you would have done for free anyways. And if you're wondering whether your review actually matters or not, then yes, it does. Your review, combined with reviews from other users, influences music managers, record labels, and radio stations, and helps them discover the next hit song even before it's released. To get started, all you need to do is go to hitpredictor.com, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage, and click on where it says Create Your Account Now. Here, just enter your personal information to sign up for a free account and start making money by listening to music immediately. Yes, it really is that simple. Well, now that we're finally coming to an end, I'd like to cool off the seriousness with a quick joke. So since we are on the topic of music today, do you know what genre of music balloons are scared of? Pop music. Get it? So whether you like that joke or not, one thing you did like is this video. So don't forget to thank me by pressing the like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be notified every time I decide to reveal one of my secret money-making techniques. Anyways, that is all for today, guys, so be sure to check out this video here on your screen, and I'll see you in the next one soon.